Create invoices converting quotes or sales order. In this tutorial, you will learn how to convert a customer quote into an invoice easily in Zoho Books. This feature helps you streamline your sales process. Once your customer approves a quote, you can instantly generate an invoice without re-entering any data. This process saves time, reduces manual errors, and helps you maintain accurate sales records. Let's convert quotes into a sales invoice. You can create quotes from quotes module. After you create your quotes, you can select the quote and you can select this convert into sales invoice. You can select the quote and you can click this button, convert button, and you can select convert to invoice. Then you will in the invoice module, customer name, dates, invoice details selected here, and the items quantity rates also there. So if it is correct, you can complete the invoice. If you want to do any changes, you can do it here, or you can directly convert this quote into a sales invoice. You can save as draft. Now you can see you have converted that quote into a invoice. Like that, you can convert your quotes into invoices. Next, you can convert your sales orders also to invoice. You can select your sales order. Here also you can click this convert to invoice and detail will display here. You can save that invoice. Here you can see that reference, so 001, where I have converted ISO 001. Now after you convert that sales order, order status will be changed to closed. Here also, if you convert any quote into an invoice, status will be changed to invoice. So like that, you can convert your quotes or sales order without re-entering.